Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your window tool. In the last episode I taught how to use your word tool. So if you don't know how to use your word tool, please go back to my last episode so that you can understand it better, because today we'll be diving on to the window tool. And for us to use this window tool, we have to implement the word tool also, because we can't draw a window on top of an empty air, understand? So we need our wall. That was why we did the wall in our episode 1. So please, if you've not yet watched our episode 1, please do so that you can understand this episode 2. And if you know how to use your wall tool already, let's do this together. So click on your window. So this is our window section. Can you see it very well? Okay, we have different types of window. As you can see them: historical window, empty window, single, double window, sliding window, special window. So all these are different types of windows. You can check them yourself. I'm going to be brief and I will try to cover everything as fast as possible. Okay, I don't want us to waste time. We have to start building something, but we have to understand all these sections first. Okay, so now go to the basic window. As you can see, this is our basic window. We have different types of basic windows, and I know some of you have seen double window, for example. Some of you have seen double sash window and triple window. Okay, even single windows, you've seen them. So all these are your types of windows. Okay, so we need our wall first. So we're going to draw our wall. So you go to your wall tool. Okay, so when you go to your wall tool, you see I've already arranged everything already. So initially it's going to be on first story. So put not length, then let this ground floor still remain ground floor. Okay, this is the height of the wall you want, so you can decide to change the height to whatever you want. Okay, so this is the size of the block or the wall, the size, the thickness, that is the width. Normally use 150 mm depending on the type of project you're working on, and this 150 mm is 6 inches. Okay, this model initially when you open it will be something like this. Okay, so you have to put the type of paint you want to use, but because of for the purpose of our tutorial today, we're going to be using white titanium paint. Okay, so let's click on OK. So remember I told you this is going to be giving you different angles, so just click shift. Okay, press on shift, it will straighten it for you. So this is our wall. Okay, so this is what we want to achieve. This is our wall. So now let's go back to our window, because we can't place window like that. We have to have a wall for us to place our window. So this is our window. Okay, we're using this under basic windows. Now this is the width of the window. Okay, this is the height of the window you want to achieve. Can you hear me? This is the width, this is the height. Then sill to story, I'm going to explain it to you, but first of all, just know that this is the height, this is the width. Okay, so let me show you something over here. But first of all, let's do this. Let's click on the window and place it. You can decide to place it here. Okay, if you want your window to face outside, make sure this black stuff is outside. If you want to face inside, make sure this black stuff is inside. So whichever way, it's still the same thing. So just click. Okay, double click, then press escape. Now I thought escape means you want everything to go back. Okay, then F3. So this is our window. Okay, can you see it very well? This is our window. Now this window we are seeing over here, this place is the glass, this place is the frame. From here to here is the width, while from here to here is the length, and from here to here is 900. Okay, then this length here is 15. Let me confirm. Yeah, you can see it over here too, 15. It's still here. So now this is the frame. Okay, this is the frame, here is the glass. So now let's do some changes. Okay, so let me click on highlight it. Make sure you highlight it. Go to the windows. So if you come to this section basic window settings. Okay, basic window settings. If you want to make your no, okay, I'll show you something now. This is for the window handle, but I'll show you that one later. Now look at this place. You see something like glass. Okay, you see something like glass. Click on it. You will see blue glass, clear fast glass, lamp glass, mirror glass, satin glass. There are different types of glasses here. So you can decide to click on blue, okay, and press OK. So now, can you see it? It's blue. Okay, so this is blue glass. This is blue glass. What if I want to change this thing to black? What will I do? Okay, so it's the same process. Highlight it, come to this window, change this thing to, I normally use this black, paint ivory black. This is what I normally use. Click on it. Okay, so this is black, means your window is black. Can you see it? Now let's change this frame. This is the frame. Let's change it to maybe something white. Okay, so this is frame outside, frame inside, sash outside, sash inside. So I'll just change everything to white. Remember, I used titanium white. Okay, I'll do that for everything. Okay, so click OK. Can you see? So I've changed it to white. Now let me change back this color of my wall so that you can see the window very well. So I'll change the color to maybe, okay, something like, let me use this color. Okay, so can you see? So this is my window. What if I want to divide my window into panels? So this is what I'm going to do. I will just follow me. Make sure you're doing exactly what I'm doing. Okay, make sure you're doing exactly what I'm doing. I'm still going to show you some settings. Okay, so let's go back. Something I'm looking for. Remember, this natural ventilation. No way, I'll show you that one also. Okay, and if you want to, this is your frame width. If you want to increase the width of your frame, just click here and you can change this to something like 200. Okay, everything will change because you clicked on uniform. Okay, you press OK. Can you see? But that is not necessary. I'm just trying to show you. So just have that in your mind. Okay, so look at this very well. These are different opening type. Okay, you can decide to use okay, let's use double sash. Can you see this? This is double sash. So you can decide to use this for your window. You want to have different, like 2 panels, can use this. Okay, yeah, you can use that. Okay, let me use this. Okay, now what if you look at this window very well, you can see that it is at the, it's just like the same surface with the wall, but I want to push my window inside the wall. So I'm going to use reveal to a wall core. So I'll change this because the size of our wall, the thickness of our wall is 150 mm. Okay, and half of 150 is 75. So I'm going to use 75 here. Can you see? So my my window has entered inside. Can you see? My window has entered inside. So you can only do that with this reveal to a wall core. So that is just the purpose of that. What if I want to reduce this my window? I have to bring it down. If you look at this place, sill to story is 1000, meaning, remember I told you in episode 1 that this is the ground floor. Okay, So this is the ground floor, this place is the ground floor. It means from here to on bottom of this window is 1000. What if I change it to 500? Is it going to go up or come down? It's going to come down. Can you see it? So from here to here is 500. So what if I change this thing to 2000? It's going to go up. Just watch. So from here to here is 2000. Can you see it? It's 2000. What if this thing? What if I say, okay, let me increase the width of my window to 12. So this is the width of my window. Let me increase the height of my window also to 21. So this is the height of my window. You can see it's going up. So what I'll do, I'll reduce the sill to story. That's like 900. Can you see? So you can manipulate your window just with these few settings. Okay, you can manipulate your window just with these few settings. So now let me show you something. Okay, this is different. This is called sash type. We have different sash type over here. You can decide to use this one will make your window to have different panels. Okay, so let's say we're going for 2 panels on the vertical, 2 panels on the horizontal. So it's going to be something like this. Can you see it? It's going to be something like this. So now this my panel I divided is brown in color. So what will I do? I will go back to the initial place. I change my settings. You can see these 2 brown, so change them to white. So we click here, white, and press OK. Can you see? This is a very, very good, nice window. Can you see it? If you love this window, please comment in the comment section. This is a very nice window for a beginner. If you do this kind of window, like, wow, they'll be they'll be very happy, and they'll know that you're no longer a beginner. But there are some tricks you have to be implementing that to make you look like a professional. Okay, so let me put that handle I said I'm going to put initially. So let's go back. So this handle, you can decide to change, use this one. There are different types. Okay, you can decide to let's go for this. This one is still okay. That one is still okay. Okay, so I don't think there's any other thing, so let's use it. Okay, so now this handle, remember handle normally, if you look at this very well, you can see you're seeing the handle, but handle for this kind of window used to be inside, not outside, so that this kind of windows to have handle inside. So let's turn it back at the back. Can you see the handle? Okay, so this is the handle. What if I want to change the handle? All I need to do is just to change the type of handle I'm using. Let me change it to this one. Okay, no, let me use this one. Okay, so this is the handle over here. Can you see it? Okay, yes, so this is it. Okay, so click on it. Let me show you something. So now if you look at this very well, this is an opening. So let's change this to 45. Now can you see we have opened the window? Let me go back to the side. See, the window is open. So what did I use for this trick? I used this place, opening type, and create the opening angle. So once you come to opening type, you see something like this. just change it to the degree you want it to open. You can decide to change it to 70 degree. Okay, so it will be something like this. Can you see? Or you can decide to change it to something like 40. Okay, let me use 30 degree. Okay, can you see? So now it's just for this setting. So press 0 to take it back. Okay, so now if you want to change the panel, the division of the panel, you can try to make it 4 and still make that for the vertical 4, for the horizontal 2. So you can see the vertical is 4, which is 1. Can you see it? Then the horizontal is 2. So you can decide to just play around this. You can still just make this 2. Okay, perfect. So you can still decide to increase the thickness of your panel frame. So let's use 100 and 100. Okay, can you see? So some of these little things are necessary to make your work look more like a professional. Okay, so I think that's all you need to know for this particular type of window. Let's cancel this. So let's go back to our 2D. Okay, let me draw another wall. Let me show you something. Okay, so what if I want to, okay, I think I need to use this side so that it will be clear. What if I want to draw a corner window? Now if you come to this side, you see corner window 2. Don't click on it yet. Go to this arrow you're seeing by the side, click on the arrow. You see 2 types of corner windows will come out. You see fixed glass corner window. You still see generic corner window. Click on fixed glass corner window. Okay, double click on it. Now you see the, what is it called, see to story, reveal to work, or you know how to use this stuff already. So just come here, okay, and click on it. Once you click on it, it will go to 2 sides immediately. So let's check the 3D. Now look at it. I think for this, from 2025, I think 2023 has corner window, this type of corner window. And 2019 does not have this type of corner window. So as an architect, it's good to just use higher version of Archicad, at least from 2025 and above. So this is my corner window. Now let me make this my corner window very attractive. What will I do? I'll click on my corner window. I'll go to my settings, go to my basic window settings. Okay, we go to my this place there's glass, change it to black. Okay, then this place I'll change it to white, just the way I taught you when we did the first window. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so what will I do? I'll change my reveal to core to 75. Okay, can you see it's having a shape? Then I want to give these panels, like, let me say 2 panels on the vertical side and 2 panels on the horizontal side. So I'll click here. Okay, I think this is okay. Can you see this? But my panels needs to have white color. I don't like that brown color. So I'll go back, click on this white, click on this white, click on OK. Can you see this? Now this is the type of window I'm talking about. When you do this kind of window, you look more professional. So this is a corner window. Okay, this is the corner window. So now let me show you something. Here's the corner window. So let's go for the handle. You can decide to put handle, your choice. Okay, you can decide to put handle. You can still decide to leave handle. The reason why you're not seeing handle here is because some corner windows don't carry handle. So if you implement handle here, if you put handle here, it won't show. You understand? So, but you can still put handle, but that is not necessary for now. So this is a type of corner window. Okay, now for you to be able to see your 3D very well, to know what you've done, Archicad has its own automatic rendering settings. So press escape, make sure your arrow is looking like this on your 3D view. Right click, you see photo render projection. Click on it. It's going to render that particular side you did. So this is it. Can you see our window? Now I need to change the color of my wall so that you can see it very well. It will be obvious. So let me use this color. Okay, so let me go back. Right click on photo render projection. Now this is it. Okay, so this is our window. Can you see it? If you don't like the color of this window, you can decide to use black blue window. Okay, you know what, let's check other types of window. Glass, blue glass. So glass, let's try this. Okay, let's see how it's going to be. So this is our blue glass. Can you see it? Okay, so you can decide to use other type of glass. Just click on it. This type is still not bad. What is it called? Clear fast. I think clear fast was the default settings. You can use glass mirror. It's not bad. Okay, glass mirror is still okay, but you can decide to still change all these things when you have your own normal rendering stuff. Okay, glass mirror, some persons normally use it, you understand, but to be frank with you, I don't use it for my work. I normally use black, okay, or I use blue. Then when I go to my rendering software, I change the color totally. But I'm just trying to show you these other types of windows. So let's check the glass setting. Let's check the glass setting. So this is glass setting. It's still opening. This is glass setting. So I go for my black or my blue. Okay, so whichever one that works for you is fine. So now let's check the other one we did. Let's render it. Let's know how it's going to be. So this is it. Can you see? This is beautiful. That's why I love black so much. It is beautiful. Okay, so this is, if once you know how to use this your settings very well, you don't have problem with your window. Okay, you don't have problem with your windows. There are other types of window here. There is nothing different with these changes I've just made. Okay, now look at this. If I want to make this my orange to be black, how will I do it? I don't like this orange I'm seeing here, or I want to make it any other color. Just highlight it, go to your windows, you will see dimension marker, you will see floor plan section. Go to floor plan section. Okay, dimension marker is when you are dimensioning, but this is what you're going to, this is where you're going to go, your floor plan section. So you see all this orange color. First of all, click on this, change this to black. Okay, you see nothing changed because it did not change this other one to black. Okay, you can still change this to black. Sorry, I think you have to click these boxes. Yes, so you can see I've changed this to black. So all you need to do, just make sure, even if you've changed all these things to black and you've not clicked on these boxes, it won't change because you need to override the original default settings, which was orange in color. So in order to override the original default settings, you have to click on these boxes. So let's assume we are changing it to something like green, dark green. So just change all this stuff to dark green. Click on it. See, this is dark green. Let's go back. This is black. Let's go back. This is orange. So you can decide to use any color depending on what you want. Okay, you can decide to use any color depending on what you want. So it's your choice. You can see I thought you had to change your wall. Okay, what did I do here? Let me show you. Remember, this wall I taught you in episode 1 is under generic structure. So to make it transparent, just type airspace, find airspace, you see airspace, click on airspace, click OK. Your wall is transparent. Can you see it? So this is the kind of wall I normally use for my drawings. You get? And so this is all you need to know for window as a beginner. So please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so to subscribe, because now next class I'm going to be teaching door, and I know you don't want to miss that because there are a lot to know about doors. You have to be in that class, please, and you have to subscribe so that you know when I've uploaded. Please, I'm begging, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and comment. If there's any other thing you don't understand, please comment. That is why the comment section is there, so that I will know if I'm going to repeat one or two things I've taught on that particular tutorial. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you for staying with me this far. I appreciate you so much. Have a nice day, everyone.